Good morning. We're here today at Frank's Pontiac Parts in 29 Palms, California to showcase this 1970 Pontiac Firebird body shell. Now this is a rust-free body and we're going to be putting this up on our website for sale. If you've got a 1970 and your body is shot, you got a Trans Am or a Firebird and you want to put it back together, this is going to be a way cheaper way of getting your car back together for the price we're going to sell this thing for. It's going to be a pretty darn good deal. So way better than having a body man stitch together a bunch of reproduction stuff that isn't going to fit and the doors won't close anymore. Anyway, take a look at the dash. The dash is all super nice. Roof's nice. Nobody's been jumping on the roof. Super nice cowl in front. This car was owned by a local Marine. He bought it here in California. It is a Southern California car. It does have a clean out-of-state title. He registered it in his home state. I don't remember which state that was, but somewhere back east. Floors are super nice. You can see here he was going to make a Pro Street car out of it, so he cut out one of the inner fender wells in the back, one of the wheelhouses. He was going to do mini tubs on it. But look at that floor. Super nice. It also does have a little spot here. Remember, this is a used car, but it does have a little spot here where they cut up the floor a little bit. They had a problem, I guess, getting the one floor mount out, but that stuff could be repaired. Nice cowl. See the door jamb. It's not split, not rusty. There are no rust bubbles, nothing like that. Everything's clean. You see spot welds on the seams. Nothing looks like it's been fixed. There is some light filler here and a little bit in the tail panel. Come around. It's a tail panel. Little surface rust. You can see some filler on the tail panel right there. But you look on the inside where you saw the filler and it's completely smooth. They did replace the trunk floor, so it must have had some rust issue at one time. They did a pretty good job. It could use a little bit of finishing. There are no issues with the trunk lip. That all looks good. The rear window all looks good. Package tray, hinge pockets, no rust, nice and straight. They didn't butcher it for big huge speakers, none of that goofy stuff that you always see on these cars. Look at that quarter panel, super nice. Now here's the piece that they removed. That door we're throwing out. That did come with it, junk fender. Okay, so this is the wheelhouse that he removed from it, so that will go with it. Yeah, most of the extra parts we got with it were just junk, so we're just throwing them away. There were a few good pieces, some seats, and I think we got a reproduction core support, had a good trunk lid, one good door. Not a lot, but those pieces are going on our website. So this is what we do. We take cars apart, or at least we take projects like this and put them back together for people as a package or a project that they can go ahead and put their car together. So anyway, here you go. There it is. 1970 Pontiac Firebird body shell, available on our website, frankspontiacparts.com. in 29 Palms, California.